Almost done. What time is it? Oh my, it's already 5. Kids, finish your homework quickly. We need to get ready. It's Aunt Rena's wedding today. Mama, we are almost done.
Yes, Mama. Just 5 more minutes.
Okay, I'll just tuck it in here. Now I'll make a small pleat here.
Okay, kids, I need a little help, please. Just coming, Mama.
Kids, just hold the pleats a little tight, please. You two are my little saviors.
Good evening, kids. I'm home.
Papa's here. We'd better hurry up. Aunt Rena will be so happy to see us.
Let's go get our shoes.
Okay, I'm so excited.
You look absolutely beautiful, dear. This sari really suits you.
Thank you so much. Please get ready too. I've laid out your clothes. Kids, do you need any help? Or are you ready?
We're ready, Mama.
I'm ready too. I'll bring the car to the front gate. Is everyone buckled up? Let's go.
Yeah! Mama, it's Aunt Rena's wedding, but why is she getting married? Why do people get married, Mama?
People get married when they choose to become life partners. Marriage is also a special celebration where families and friends come together to bless the couple and wish them a happy life.
Look, Mama, there are people dancing on the road. It looks like they are celebrating something.
That's a barat, dear. It's a wedding procession. The groom travels with music and dancing to the wedding venue.
I'm so excited to meet our cousins. And there will be lots of yummy desserts too.
Yes, sweetie, they will be delighted to see you too. And I know you have a sweet tooth. You may enjoy some ice cream.
We've almost reached the location.
Wow, this is the most beautiful wedding I've ever seen. I can't wait to see everyone.
Look, our cousins are here.
Go ahead, kids. Have fun.
Hello, Sanjay.
Hello, Ritu.
It's so nice to see you after so long. I missed you so much. Let's go play.
How have you been? I'm good. How are you? Do you want to play hide and seek?
Sir, ma'am, may I take a photograph, please? Yes, sure. Everyone, please gather around for the bride and groom's garland ceremony.
They look so happy together.
Yes, they really do.
Mom, why do they do the garland ceremony? What are they doing?
The garland ceremony is a special ritual, dear. When they place flowers around each other's necks, it means they choose and welcome each other into their lives.
Everyone, please gather around for the bride and groom's peras.
Mama, what are feras?
Sweetie, peras are the sacred rounds the couple takes around the fire while making promises. The fire is a symbol of purity and goodness.
This reminds me of when we first met and got married.
Yes, it was a memorable time.
Mama, what's happening now?
Sweetie, the groom is applying vermilion on the bride's forehead as a symbol of lifelong commitment. Their marriage is now complete.
Look, everyone, there's a dance floor. Let's go!
Let's go!
Wow, they dance so well. Come kids, let's go and congratulate Aunt Rina.
Heartiest congratulations, Rina. You two make an adorable couple. Thank you so much. And here's your present. I hope you both like it.
Thank you. Congratulations, Auntie and Uncle. You both look wonderful. Thank you so much.
Come kids, let's get dinner. It's getting late.
Coming, Mama?
Yeah.
Let me take a plate carefully.
Everything looks so yummy.
Yes, especially the paneer rice.
Delectable.
This feast is amazing.
I love the naan.
Everything is delicious.
Yummy!
The best part is sharing it.
We'll head home after dinner. If you enjoyed this adventure, please subscribe and we'll see you soon.
Bye.